Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Bingo Bounce. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically bingo just on your mobile phone, but with a twist. So as you can see, Bingo Bounce is a classic bingo reimagined with fun and surprises. Welcome to Bingo Bounce, a refreshing take on the classic bingo game. So Bingo Bounce follows the traditional rules of bingo. Random numbers are called up one by one. However, you can play with a lot of people online right here. So as you can see, mark the matching numbers on your cards. Once you complete a full horizontal line, you win. You bingo. So as you can see, it is not one of those apps that will let you pay out, which is a scam. This app is not like that. However, it is a relatively a new app, and the problems with new apps like these are that they're filled with ads and they get annoying sometimes. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.